Hi everyone, I am Betty. So today we are going to learn how to make effective bleach. You can sell this product and make money for yourself. You can make use of it in your house. That's what we do. That's what we teach people in our online class. You learn it for use or for sale. For today's production, I actually bought my chemical saturator of 950 naira to produce 20 liters of bleach. And bleach, as we all know, is a very essential product in the home. You can use it in the hospital, you can use it in the offices, in the school, for cleaning the tiles, sinks to be sparkling, for removing molds and mildew, for disinfecting and cleaning toilets, for removing stains from white clothing, and even for sanitizing our plastic, the children plastic toys and other things that we use in the hospital. So for this 20 liters production, the chemical needed are: number one, quarter kg of caustic soda. I got this for 150 naira. When you hear quarter kg, it's the same as 1/4 kg or 250 gram. Number two, half kg of chlorine. Another name for chlorine is sodium hypochlorite. I got this for 600 naira. The third chemical here is half kg of soda ash. I got it at 200 naira. Then the fourth one is water, a very clean water. We don't need dirty water here. We don't need hot water. Neither do we need cold water. What we need is very clean water. So if you notice your water is not clean, you can boil it. Allow it to cool very well before you start producing. Don't use hot water for this bleach production, please. Then take note of this safety tips. Be mindful of this. Be very careful with chemicals. Do not let them come in contact with your skin. Do not inhale these chemicals. Do not touch them. Do not test them, sorry. Don't allow the kids to touch or see or even handle these chemicals, please. You can go through this again. Thank you very much. The method for today's production is with your gloves on, your hand gloves. The first one is to divide 20 liters of water into two. You know we're making bleach 20 liters. So divide that 20 liters into two. And what this means is that you have two buckets or two bowls or two basins, depending on the quantity you are making or the quantity you are producing. So one of the 10 liters will be this way and the other one will be in other bucket. The second step is to add 1/2 chlorine into one of the 10 liters water. When you add it, stir it very well, like 5 to 10 minutes until it dissolves. The third step is to add your half kg soda ash into the other 10 liter bucket. Hope you understand. Yes, it's very simple. Just stir it very well. Don't allow it to touch your skin. The fourth step is to pour the soda ash mixture and the chlorine mixture into a bigger bucket or basin. Pour them together and stir them very well to blend. After stirring, you bring the 1/4 caustic soda and add inside that big basin and stir all of them together for like 10 minutes. After stirring for like 10 minutes and they've mixed together very well, allow this mixture to settle down for like 24 hours. That means you will cover the bucket. If possible, if you have store, go and keep it in your store and lock the store. If you have cupboard, keep it in the cupboard and lock it so that the kids will not think this is water. It's actually bleach and it's very dangerous to health. Don't allow any other person to touch or drink it, please. The clear liquid, that is after 24 hours now, the clear liquid is your bleach, while the white substance under the bucket or the basin is the scouring powder for your pots. Those scouring powder like Vin that we do buy in the market. That is the advantage of making your own bleach. When you make your own bleach, you get both bleach and the scouring powder for your pots. The sixth step is to package your bleach in strong containers. I do talk about these strong containers or strong buckets for your mixture, because bleach have the capability to crack buckets, or those soft buckets, plastic buckets, and they will start leaking the bleach. So make use of strong containers, strong buckets for your bleach, please. Paint bucket, those big paint buckets is an option. There is another plastic bucket, those thick black or brown plastic bucket. They are also an option. So you can choose anyone you like, but make sure it's strong. Another thing to note is that sodium chloride can be added to your bleach as a thickening and stabilizing agent. Sodium chloride is another name for table salt. You can add table salt like 1/4 kg for this 20 liters production. It's totally optional. Another chemical you can add is sodium sulfate. It's a cleansing agent that you can add to your bleach. It's also optional. Like 1/4 kg is good for 20 liters. If you're making 10 liters, 1/8 kg is good. For this production, I did not add either salt or sodium sulfate, and my bleach is effective. I just made mention of these two chemicals so that you bear in mind that it's also ingredients you can add if you want, if you wish. Hope you understand this. Okay. Another thing to bear in mind is that you need to keep this product out of reach of children. Keep all your bleach, whether the one you buy from the market or the one you produce yourself. Do not allow the children to drink it. It's not good. Number 2, do not mix any bleach with these strong acids or chemicals like ammonia, vinegar, dye stain remover, toilet cleaners, because when these two products are mixed together, they can react with the chlorine in bleach to release poisonous gas. It's not good for health, please. Hope you enjoyed this class, because I do. I really enjoyed the class, and I can't wait to see your practicals. Please start practicing immediately. I really need to see your practicals because they will give me joy. And the good thing about doing this is you will never buy these products again in the market. I know how it is in my house right now. I no longer buy my liquid soap for washing, hand wash, car wash, bathing soap, laundry soap, bleach, tiles cleaner, and many of them. Even my Vaseline, my balm, I no longer buy them in the market, and I'm happy with myself. Also saving my money. So if you are making this for commercial, if you want to sell, very good. If you don't have that time or you don't want to sell, you can also make use of it in your house, and you'll be so happy with yourself. Thank you so much for listening. I am Betty.